There's nothing like watching a true American muscle car come back to life. Check out this video of this stunning 1969 Z28 Camaro that's finished in its rich, burnished brown color as it gleams brilliantly in the daylight due to its freshly polished paint. Every curve, every line, brought to perfection by the expert hands at B&C Auto Restoration and Paint in Ontario, New York. Next up is pure automotive artistry, as this Camaro awaits its ivory racing stripes, which will help to capture every curve with mirror-like perfection.